The Electoral Commission of Jamaica ECJ is reminding 3 municipal corporations of their responsibility to fill vacancies for councillors within the time required by law. The Commission says it has written to the chairpersons of the Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Thomas and Westmoreland municipal corporations regarding the outstanding vacancies. Letters were sent to the mayors of Kingston, Morant Bay and Savannah Lamar, indicating the Commission's readiness to conduct by-elections once the municipal corporations give the directive. Under the Representation of the People Act, a by-election must be held within about 3 months after a vacancy in an electoral division is recorded. The vacancies are in the Maxfield Park and Seavright Gardens Division in Kingston and St. Andrew, the Morant Bay Division in St. Thomas, and the Petersfield Division in Westmoreland. The seats in the Kingston and St. Andrew and St. Thomas became vacant after the former councillors were elected members of Parliament in the September 2025 general election. The Electoral Commission says it is now awaiting a decision from the local authorities on how to proceed with the by-elections.